Welcome to our channel. Decided to leave Pinterest? Follow these straightforward steps to permanently delete your account and remove all your pins and boards. Step 1. Log into Pinterest through web browser. Account deletion must be done on website, not through mobile app. Step 2. Click your profile picture for menu. Select settings from the drop-down to access account options. Step 3. Navigate to account settings section. Scroll down to find account management options at the bottom. Step 4. Click Delete Account option. Pinterest will show what happens when you delete your account. Step 5. Provide reason for leaving Pinterest. Select from the options why you're choosing to delete your account. Step 6. Confirm you understand the consequences. Check the box acknowledging that deletion is permanent and irreversible. Step 7. Enter your Pinterest password. This security step verifies that you're the account owner. Step 8. Click Delete Account to finalize. Your account, pins, and boards will be permanently removed within 14 days. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.